Namaste, good morning my dear students, and see here today we will do some questions, some mixed questions, and see here we have to simplify 1 upon a minus b into a minus c plus 1 upon b minus a into b minus c plus 1 upon c minus a into c minus b. So, to simplify this, before we have to know what is cyclic form or cyclic order. So, see here, you know this is the circle, this is A, this B and this C. So, we have to move like this anti-clockwise direction. So, see here A plus B, A plus B, and this we can write B plus A because both have the what? Positive sign. So, A plus B equal to B plus A, and likewise here also B plus C equal to C plus B. Likewise here C plus A equal to A plus C. So, in the case of plus there is no any change, we can write A plus B equal to B plus A because both have the positive sign. And likewise see the relation of multiply, A into B equal to, we can write B into A. Why? Because 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 equal to what? 6, result is same. So, you can write A into B equal to B into A. Likewise here also B into C equal to C into B and C into A equal to A into C. And now here A minus B, we can write B minus A. A minus B is never equal to B minus A because the sign of A is what? Plus and sign of B is what? Minus. But here while writing B minus A, sign of B is what? Plus and sign of A is what? Minus. So, A minus B is not equal to B minus A, like here A plus B equal to B plus A. So, like C also B minus C is not equal to C minus B, and here C minus A is not equal to A minus C. So, how to write like C here? Here A minus B and here is given B minus A. So, firstly you have to what? To write in the form of A minus B, you have to arrange this. So, B minus A equal to what? Minus A plus B. We have to write first A and then after B, and B has what sign? Plus. So, minus A plus B. Now, here we can take common, minus is common. So, what is left here? A minus B. It means B minus A, directly we can write minus A minus B, and here suppose 4 minus x is given. So, it means what? Minus x minus 4. So, you have to remember this. B minus A equal to what? Minus bracket A minus B. Likewise A minus C means bracket minus C minus A. So, you have to remember this. If such is given 4 minus x, so directly you can write minus bracket x minus 4. So, this is the cyclic form. You can write like this. First you have to write in the form of cyclic order. So, now let us see the solution of the given question. See here, what is given here? A minus B. So, A, B, C. First we need what? A to B, B to C, C to A. So, 1 is given here. We need A minus B is here, A minus B, and then after what we need? Here is given A minus C, and what is here? A minus C, and what we need? C minus A. So, C minus A means, you know, just we have done minus bracket C minus A plus here b minus a is given. So b minus a means what? What we need? A minus b. So here minus common, we can write a minus b, b minus c, already same, plus 1 upon c here, c minus a it given, it's right, but we need what? B minus c. So minus, in place of c minus b you can write b minus c. Then after see here, minus into plus, minus a minus b, c minus a, minus into plus, minus a minus b, b minus c, minus into plus, minus c minus a, b minus c. Now take the LCM. So what is the LCM? A minus b, a minus b, a minus b, c minus a, c minus a, c minus a, b minus c, b minus c. And you know very well, after the LCM we have to divide the LCM by denominators. So a minus b into c minus a into b minus c divided by a minus b into c minus a. A minus b cancel, c minus a cancel, what is left? B minus c. So minus 1 into b minus c, minus a minus b cancel, b minus c cancel, what is left? 1 into c minus a, minus c minus a cancel, b minus c cancel, what is left? A minus b, a minus b. Now open the bracket, minus into plus, minus b, minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus, whole upon a minus b, a minus b, c minus a, b minus c. Then after c here, minus b plus b cancel, plus c minus c cancel, minus a plus a cancel, what is left? 0. So 0 upon a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. 0 upon something means what? 0. So this is the answer, this is the answer. So firstly you have to write in the form of cyclic order, and then after you have to take LCM. So this is the answer. So now let us move for other question. Next question is, see there, simplify one upon a minus 2b plus 1 upon a plus 2b plus 2a square plus 4b square plus 4a square upon a power 4 plus 16b power 4. So see here, you are watching the rational factor of a minus 2b is what? A plus 2b. So we have to take the LCM of rational factors. So a minus 2b, a plus 2b. So this is the LCM of these two denominators. So divide the LCM by denominator, this cancel, what is left? A plus 2b. So 1 into a plus 2b plus this cancel, this one is left. So 1 into a minus 2b plus 2a square plus 4b square plus 4a square a power 4 plus 16b power 4. Now open the bracket. So a plus 2b, while multiplying with a having plus sign also, and here also same, a minus 2b. Now a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means in place of b 2b is there, so 2b whole square plus 2a square plus 4b square plus 4a square a power 4 16b power 4. So minus 2b plus 2b what? Cancel. A plus a means 2a. So a square minus square of 2 is what? 4b square plus 2a square plus 4b square plus 4a square a power 4 plus 16b power 4. Now again you are watching the rational factor of this is this. So again we have to take the LCM of both this. So LCM will be a square minus 4b square, a square plus 4b square, and this one you have to write like same, a power 4 16 b power 4. So see here again same process, this divide by this, so 2, this one is left, 2 into a square plus 4b square plus 2, this cancelled, a square minus 4b square. Now multiply, open the bracket, plus into plus plus, 2 into a square means 2a cube plus 2 4 ja 8ab square plus 2a cube minus 8ab square whole upon, here also you can use formula a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square plus 4a square a power 4 16b power 4. Is there any confusion? I think no confusion. Then see here, being plus and minus we can cancel them. So 2a cube plus 2a cube means what? 4a cube. 2a cube plus 2a cube means 4a cube. Then after a square whole square means a power 4, because power over power then they are multiplied, and then after square of 4 is what? 16, and square of b over whole square means b power 4 plus 4a square, 4a square upon a power 4 plus 16b power 4, and here is not square, this is cube. Now again the LCM will be what? Both. So a power 4 minus 16b power 4, a power 4 plus 16b power 4, this cancelled, 4a cube into a power 4 plus 16b power 4 plus this cancelled, 4a cube a power 4 minus 16b power 4. Now open the bracket. So here plus into plus plus 4a cube into a power 4. If bases are same and they are multiplied, if bases are same and they are multiplied, then what will happen? Powers are added. So 3 plus 4 means 7, a power 7 plus 16 a cube b power 4 plus same, bases are same and they are multiplied, then powers are added. So 4 a power 7 minus 64 a cube b power 4, and then after a power 4, a minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square, a square minus b square. This and this being opposite side, so we have to cancel them. So what is left? A power a 4a power 7, 4a power 7 means 8a power 7 upon 4 to the 8, and square of 16 means what? 16 into 16 means 6 6 is 36, 6 1 is 6 plus 3 9, 6 1 6 2 5 6 b power 4. So this is the answer. So gradually you have to take the LCM of the rational factors and you have to solve like this, and lastly we will have the answer this. So now, so I think in this solution you have no any problem on the any steps. So let's see the other question now. So very sincerely you have to do, you have to take the LCM and then have to simplify. So see here, other question is given, this is also simplify. P square p minus y whole power y minus 2 p minus y whole power y minus 1 plus 1 upon p minus y whole power y minus 2. See here, so in this question p square p minus y 2p, now here y minus power, what is given power? Y minus 1. So you have to distribute the base. So p minus y power y into p minus y, what is the power? Minus 1. Like same, if powers are, if bases are same and they are multiplied, then powers are added. So if powers are added, so we can write in the form of multiply all the base. Here like same, p minus y power y, p minus y power minus 2. So now here is given negative power, so we have to make it positive. See here, p power p minus y power minus 1 means while taking from denominator to numerator, the sign of power will change, the sign of power will change. So it became p minus y power what? Plus 1 p minus y power y plus, here is also you have to take this. So p power y, what is here? Minus 2. So while taking from denominator to numerator, the sign of power will change, minus power should become plus p minus y power y. Now you are watching, all the denominators are here what? Same. So LCM will be p minus y whole power y. So divide the LCM by the denominator, this cancel, what is left? 1. So 1 into p square minus 2p p minus 1, if divide then also 1 plus again divide, so 1, so 1 into this and 1 p minus y whole square. Then after see here 1 into p square means p square minus 2 into 1 2 p into p minus 1 plus p minus 1 whole square whole upon p minus y power y. So, see there p square minus into plus minus 2 into p 2p square minus into minus plus 2p into y 2py plus here plus sign. So, keep your bracket, use the formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square whole upon p minus y whole power y. Then after see there p square minus 2p square plus 2py plus into plus plus into minus plus into plus upon p minus y whole power y. So, see here p square plus p square means 2p square minus 2p square cancel plus 2py minus 2py cancel. What is left? Y square, this p minus y whole square. This is the p minus y not whole square power y. So, this is the answer. So, in this way you have to solve. So, this is very simple, easily you have to separate the base and then after you take the LCM and use the procedure of the LCM and then after lastly simplify and you will get the answer. So, let us see one more question and this is the last question for today. I think in this solution is there any problem? I hope that you have no any problem. Then after solve means you have to find out the value of variable 5 power x minus 1 plus 5 upon 5 power x equal 5 whole 1 by 5, like this it is given. Here first you have to separate the base. So, 5 power x into 5 power minus 1 plus 5 upon 5 power x equal 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26 by 5. So, let 5 power x equal to a. To make it easy, here 5 power x up, 5 power x down. So, suppose 5 power x equal to what? A. Then it became a, make it positive 1 by 5 here plus 5 upon a equal 26 by 5. Then after a upon 5 upon a equal 26 by 5. Now take the LCM of 5 and a. So, what is the LCM of 5 and a? 5a. So, 5 cancel, a into a square, a cancel, 5 into 5 25 equal 26 by 5. So, this 5 and this 5 we can able to cancel because both are in multiply form. So, a square plus 25 by a equal 26 by 1. Now, we have to do cross multiply. So, in cross multiply, see here or 1 into a square means a square, 1 into 25 means 25, a into 26 means 26a. So, now whatever is here in RHS we have to transpose to LHS, transfer to LHS. So, a square minus 26a plus 25 equal to 0. Now, we have to factorize this. So, 25 1 ja 25, 25 plus 1 26, by adding we have to get this. So, a square minus a 25 plus 1 plus 25 equal to 0. So, a square minus 25a minus into plus minus a plus 25 equal to 0. Between these two terms we have to take common. So, a minus 25 minus 1 is common. So, a minus 25 equal to 0. Again we have to take common this. So, a minus 25 a minus 1 equal to 0. So, here you are watching this side is completely 0. So, this side also must be 0. So, either to be 0, either this value will be 0. So, 0 into this means 0, or this value will be 0, this equal to this 0 into this means 0. That is why we have to equate with 0. So, my a minus 25 means 25 equal to 0, or a minus 1 equal to 0. So, a equal to what? 25, and then after see here what is the value of a? A equal to 5 power x. So, here 5 power x, and here we can write 25 as 5 square. So, 5 cancelled. What is left? X equal to 2, x equal to 2, and this one a equal to 1. So, the value of a is what? 5 power x. So, you can write 5 power 0, because 5 power 0 means what? 1. Here is 5 base, so we have to write 5 power 0. If something here 4 base, so we have to write 4 power 0. So, this cancel, x equal to 0. So, therefore, the required value of x, therefore, the required value of x equal to what? 2 and 0. This is the answer. So, this is all about today, and you know that the Central Pepsin has launched the program, like same program, study program by 3 televisions, that is TV Today, Janta Television and Yoho TV. So, you have to also keep on watching all 3 televisions according to your time schedule. So, this much today. Thank you so much. Namaste.